In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a full-on stack and maybe a whole set of these kind of like mouse sanders, or what I call like a corner sander type sandpapers. Check these out. These are from the company BAOSTC, and this is the hook and loop design. Here's the ones that I have been using, and I am shocked at how much these things actually cost. But look at this pack right here. So what you get here is a whole set, and I've been using it, by the way. Been sanding some stuff out here, and let me just show you what all you get with these. So right here you get 40 grit, 60 grit, and there is 80 grit, 100 grit, 120, 150, 180, 240, and 400. So it looks like it goes from a 40 to a 400. And check these things out. So we'll just go ahead and replace this one. Number one, they go on extremely well. So I'm impressed at how well these things go on here. Let's just put another 40 on here. And all it does is line up. It lines up perfect. Let me just show you this thing in action. So you see all that right there? These things work well. This is something I recommend for anybody that needs a good set of these kind of like mouse sander pads that won't break the bank, because this is absolutely amazing. Look at how quickly I can hit that corner off of there. What I'm doing, I'm just going to show you guys how well these things work. Turn that off. Button's getting a little hard to stick on there. I need to use that thing more. Look at that. Look how nicely it sanded that. Everybody, I don't see any issues with these at all. I'm so glad I picked up a set of these. This is enough to last me maybe a year, or maybe even years. Look how many I got of these things. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, the mouse sander pads, hook and loop version. See you all in the next video.